everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So if you are new to this channel, hi, my name is Varsha Diwakar and please subscribe my channel. So in today's video we talk about basic introduction to C language. These topics we cover in today's video: what are variables, what are constant, what are keywords, and what are data types. So first we start with what are variables. A variable is a data name that may be used to store a data value. A variable is nothing but a given name to a storage that our program can manipulate. A variable name can be chosen by the program in a meaningful way to reflect its function. Each variable in C has specific type which determine the size and variable memory. Types of variable. There are three types of variables: local variable, global, static. Local variables, the variables which are declared inside the function. A local variable is allocated on the C stack. It is uninitialized by default and contains garbage value. जो local variable होते हैं वो function के inside declare कराए जाते हैं. Global variables, the global variables declared outside any function. They are not limited to any function can access modify global variables. Global variables are automatically initialized to 0 at the time of declaration. Static variables. A static variable is able to retain its value between return function calls. The static variable is only initialized once. If it is not initialized, then it is automatically initialized to 0. Or next we talk about what are constants. Constant refer to fixed value that do not change during execution. Constant एक fixed value होती है जो कि execution के time पे change नहीं की जा सकती. Types of constants, ये दो तरह की होती है: numeric, character constants. In numeric there are two types of constants: integer constant, real constant. In integer constants, an integer constant refers to a sequence of digits. There are three types of integer constant: decimal integer, octal integer, hexadecimal integer. Real constants. A real constant is a combination of a whole number followed by a decimal point and a fractional part. In character constant there are also two types: single character constant, string constants. A single character constant contains a single character enclosed within a pair of single quote marks. String constants. A string constant is a sequence of characters enclosed in double quotes. What are keywords? Keywords are those words whose meaning is already defined by compiler. Keywords are used as variable name. There are 32 keywords in C. Keywords are also called reserved words. All keywords have fixed meaning and these meanings can be changed. What are data types? The variety of data types available allow the programmer to select the type appropriate to needs of the application. Types of data types: primary data types, derived data types, user data types. Primary data types. There are fundamental data types in C, namely integer, float, character, void. In integer are used to store whole number. Integer को हम whole number store करने के लिए use करते हैं. और floating types are used to store real numbers. float को हम real number store करने के लिए use करते हैं. character types are used to store character value. character को हम इसलिए use करते हैं ताकि हम character की value store कर सकें. void type means no value. This is usually used to specify the type of function which return nothing. Derived data types. Derived data types are created from basic data types such as int, float, character, etc. Example: array, pointers, structure, etc. User defined data types. User has to define these data types before using it. That's all for today's video. Thanks for watching.